Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show search suggestion in Mozilla Firefox Windows 10. So how to show search suggestion in Mozilla Firefox Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Search menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Tap Show Search Suggestion. This feature displays automatic search suggestions when typing in the Mozilla Firefox search field in Windows 10 to help find information faster. So that's it, the How to Show Search Suggestion in Mozilla Firefox Windows 10 tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.